created GOODPAPA, the world's smartest innovation in bacteria-eliminating toilet care. GOODPAPA is a one-button cleansing and UV disinfecting and smart TPR bristled cleansing brush that combined provide a bacteria-fighting, porcelain-safe, toilet cleaning experience. With the GOODPAPA IPX7 compliant rotating brush head, we've built a super strong, eco-friendly, super-powered cleansing experience, even as you clean deep in the water. With over 300 rotations a minute and a lightweight 49cm flexible ABS handle to protect your wrist from fatigue, GOODPAPA can easily destroy stains and calcium buildup in the tightest of crevices, all while keeping the bowl clean and scratch-free. And when you're done, GOODPAPA emits a bacteria-killing UVC light that bathes your brush in a bacteria-banishing glow and neatly stores in its own mold-free ventilated base. Its TPR brush has low drip and fast drain performance for safer transfer from bowl to holder, a safety delay before the UVC light turns on and after the sterilization, multiple storage options on or off the floor, fast recharge, and a high-efficiency power duration of up to 3 months with normal use. And now you have the very best tool to better protect your family in the most unprotected room of your home. Keep your toilet clean and your family healthy with GOODPAPA.